What are you doing, babe? Complete fail. Trying to get a picture of the water in the air. What a loser, babe, you're missing it. Am I distracting you?
No, it's not water.
Did you get it? Because you suck. Do it. Look. Well, you keep missing it.
Oh, it's gotta be like this thing.
I'm getting it on my camera.
You don't know what I'm trying to do.
I totally know. You're trying to get it so it's both ends in the air. Your camera's not quick enough. You take it before it's about to come out.
It's not going fast.
Well, I'm taking a video of it so we can watch it at home. I'm not sure who thinks this is entertaining, but he's amazed by this.
I am amazed by that.